Buds, I'm coming. All right. We're about to unbox this gaming chair. Let's rip it open right now. What's up, buds? Welcome to Wanna Bite. I'm your host, Rodney. As always, we have another product to unbox and review. This is me coming from the future to let you guys know. If you guys are not subscribed to the channel, hit the subscribe button down below. And to all my subscribers now, thank you so much for subscribing. And as always, buds, we always do reviews like this on this channel, so definitely hit the subscribe button if you want to check out some more reviews. And with all these products, the link will be down in the description below, so you guys can click that, see the current price, and see other people's reviews. Let's get this unboxing going. So today we are in my sister's room. She needed a gaming chair, so I was like, I'm gonna get you a gaming chair. So I got her a gaming chair. So I looked for a budget gaming chair. I seen this one was getting a really good review, so I decided I'm gonna test that one out. So right now I'm just gonna do unboxing, first thoughts of the chair. Then I'm gonna do a review like a week or so after, I wanna use it for a bit. I just let her use my GT racing chair for then, cause I wanna test this out so I can do a review on it for you guys. But right now I'm gonna just cut it open and we're gonna see how it looks when we put it together. All right, bud, so we have all the parts out. This is the OFM gaming chair from Amazon, or from OFM. It's on Amazon. It was $110, I think. But everything that gets sent here, all that from Amazon to California, was about $118 total. So it wasn't bad. It's a very budget gaming chair. It looks really nice from what I can tell already. We haven't put it together yet. First thing that I'm already seeing, that this gaming chair is going to be really wide compared to the GTR racing chair that we have on this channel already. I'll leave a link up above for you guys. I haven't put it together yet, but we'll get to that. But one thing I did know in my comments, a lot of people were giving a lot of viewers heads up that it's really narrow for, bigger people or, thick people, you know what I'm saying? And it was like, it's uncomfortable for them. So if that is one of the issues you have when you look for gaming chairs or chairs, definitely you're gonna love this one, because this one is really wide. Like, this is the butt right here. It looks like the back, and it's bigger than my body. Like, it's crazy. So this is what the seat looks like. That's really big. It feels good actually too. And then you have the back, as you can see, also wide. So it's gonna be a very wide chair. So if anyone needs a wide chair, definitely a wide budget gaming chair, you can definitely probably check this one out. But we're gonna see after I put it together what it looks like, and then of course a week from now I'll do an official review. Do have that mesh on here. That's one thing it has leather and mesh. The white parts are all the mesh, like a Nike shoe or something, and then you have your leather on there. The leather feels really good. It's not too far off from the GTR racing chair, I don't believe. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna bring them both in here and see how the leather feels, but it doesn't seem like it's gonna be too far off. So that's one thing I like. But if you guys wanna see me put it together, you guys can watch it right now. If you guys wanna skip, just on the little bar, and then I'll have it chopped up for you guys, and you can find the part where it says finished, and then we'll continue from there. But all right, buds, I'm gonna put this together real quick and let's do it. And another thing, I'll probably put this in the description down below, because I already know someone's gonna ask me about this. This is what my sister used when she went to college. She used this thing for her gaming setup, and she just brought it here. It does save her a lot of space. She rolls it into her closet sometimes, and sometimes she rolls it out. I know someone's gonna ask about it, so I'll put that down in the description below before I forget. So let's get back to this chair. All right, bud, so step one, right here, starfish. You put the wheels on, you put your pump on. Got the pump in. Let's get the starfish legs going. Step one, done. Next, we're gonna put the seat down backwards, the front facing away from you. And then you're gonna make sure that the little lever is on the left side when you put it on the back of here. Then you just take the little J screws and you connect the 4 into the hose. I'll do this quick in real time to see how fast I can do it, because gaming chairs normally don't take that long to set up. They're fairly quick. So if I'll probably time lapse it so it doesn't seem like it's taking forever. I don't want this video to be too long with doing the installation part. Yeah, I'll probably just skip this part right here because I'm gonna just be twisting now. Oh, by the way, Buzz, this tool does come with it. You shouldn't need nothing, no screwdriver, nothing. This is all you'll need. All right, Buzz, so now we're done twisting. Now we're just gonna put the seat on top of the pump and connect it together. Perfect. I don't know if I said, now we're just gonna put the arms on. And yeah, just you can lean it sideways so it stays stable. You don't have to worry about it moving. So it's really easy. And you just twist them in. When you do it, make sure you put some pressure on the arm to push it into the chair, so you can get that bolt really in there. Buds, I made a mistake. We gotta backtrack. These two little smaller eyes go on the bottom of the chair. So make sure you put 2 J's at the top and then 2 I's at the bottom, because you need 4 J's to finish the chair off. So I made a mistake and didn't put I's in there, so I gotta take these out. Now we're gonna put the back on, and then we're just gonna line it up with these holes right here, one right here at the highest top and right under. And then we'll put the last 4 bolts on. The one good thing is that the armrests are so tight that it's holding the chair in place. Like, I don't even have no screws in it yet, so it's holding it in place pretty good. So I don't have to really worry about that. So now that we got the back piece on, we're just gonna put the 4 J bolts in there, and this is it basically. I think we're done. We'll add like the little extra caps to block off all the little the screw ports. We'll just, you know, plug those up with the little cap things, and then that'd be it. So after this, I'll probably just tell you guys my impression when I sit in here. I will say that I'm putting on the things that block all the hose, and this little part right here, I feel like it's off by a little bit. Like, I can't get it in there, so you might have to force it in. Hopefully it doesn't break, because it's a really thin plastic. But yeah, it's like a little frame that goes across here to block all the little screws that you put in. I think all you do is just do a nice little bend on it. I've been trying different ways to see how it feels, but it feels like if you get a nice little push and then bend, and that's how you get it right there. And you get it in there, and it just snaps in. So you just gotta get a nice little push and bend on it. But don't go too crazy on it. So like angle it a little bit, and then get it in there. There we go. Bam. Now we just got the little ones to do all over, and that's it. All right, but so my first impression from this chair is that it is comfortable. Now, I can already tell off the back, it's not as comfortable as the GTR racing chair, but it is fairly comfortable. It has a little bit wider base. I like the open space here with the legs. Let me show you guys. So I like the open space with the legs right here, so you can stretch out. And then you got the retractable armrest. So I know if you're into it, if you're into the game right here, like bam, let's get it. So I like that. I like that aspect, because I do sometimes wish on the GTR racing chair I could get rid of the armrests, get them out the way. They do like turn this way. Sometimes I want like all this room, so I do like that about this chair. I can already tell you that. I like that a lot. I'm so used to being able to lean like all the way back. Oh, this thing goes high. I think this is higher than the GTR racing on the high rise. On the lift, it feels like it goes higher. Oh, that's really good. That feels like it goes higher than the GTR racing chair. That's for sure. Not as low though, does it seem like, but yeah, a good lift on there. It's not as comfortable as the GTR racing chair, that's for sure. Like, I can feel it, especially the back. It's really hard in the back and the lower back area right here. It's very hard, because there's a pillow on the other chair. The recline is good, nice little shake. Yeah, so from what I can tell already, definitely not the cushion quality of the GTR. Definitely these arm rests are way better, because the other chair is just hard plastic. So I really wish my chair had this. This is really nice, I like that. Good. It rolls good. We have a thick carpet, so it's rolling pretty good on it too, as well. Nice little roll. Yeah, the only thing I will say that I like the armrests a lot. I like that you can lift these, because I like to sometimes get into my game or whatever I'm doing. Sometimes I just want to be free, chill like this on the phone, whatever. I really like that. I wish I could do that on my chair. Another thing I like is how high it lifts. I like the lifting. I feel way more comfortable. I am 6'5". So I feel way more comfortable sitting up here, and my legs don't feel like they're like crouched down a little bit. So it has a little bit better rise than the GTR, that's for sure. But where it's not touching the GTR at all is the padding. I feel like it's a little bit more stiff. It might have to get broken in. It might have to, but the GTR was ready to go right out the box. Like, I felt how comfortable it was. Now, in this leg part right here is very comfortable, where your legs will hang off of. But I feel like right here, you can feel the base on your butt pretty good. And then right here is a little too protruded, and it like is all in your back. That needs to be, it feels like it'll wear down a bit and then you'll sink into there. That's pretty tight, but definitely you can feel the hardness right here in this middle part. And this is very comfortable at the edge though. Yeah, you could definitely feel the hardness right there. And it just feels like this back is very cushioned. Some people will like that because some people like that lower back support. I have it on mine as well, but it's a pillow. So once you break that in, you'll be fine. And it's pretty stiff at the top as well. Now, is it an upgrade from a regular office chair? Definitely an upgrade for a regular office chair, like your basic office chair. I used to have a black Walmart chair. That chair sucked, it had no cushion. This one has more cushion than that for sure. You definitely got these armrests that are very cushiony. I wish I had these armrests on the GTR racing chair. I really do. I really like this a lot. They're so comfortable. Like, I like this. I like the high rise, like I said, that's another good benefit. But when it comes to the cushion, you guys can already tell I'm pinning these up a lot. I wish I had this on the other chair. Yeah, when it comes to the cushion, that's where it's lacking at. You could just feel the difference compared to, you know, that extra $60 on that chair compared to this one. It's not too bad. It's not horrible. It's like, I just been sitting in that chair, Buzz. Don't forget, I've been sitting in, you know, a better quality chair for so long. So right when I sit in this one, I could tell like what's wrong with it. But yeah, but that's it. That's what I feel already from using it. I'm gonna see if it breaks in, if it feels a little bit better. I would do a review in about a week for this one, so you guys can check in a week on this channel and see how I feel about it after using it for a week. And we'll see, because everything will start to probably loosen up and get a little bit better on it. So I don't want to, you know, poo-poo on it too much yet, because there's things I like about it. If anything, I can deal with the seat. I know I can. But the biggest thing is probably gonna be this back part. If that breaks in, then we might have a little game changer here. But we'll see, buds. We'll see in a later video. All right, buds, so there you have it. That is basically the unboxing of this chair. This is the OFM gaming chair. It's going for about 110 bucks right now, which is pretty good. Not gonna lie, it's pretty good. The quality is around that range as well of 110. So if you guys like this video, please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. And when you subscribe, hit that bell notification so you guys know when I post new videos. And to all my subscribers now, thank you so much for subscribing. I really do appreciate it. You guys are helping my channel grow. And as always, Buzz, with all these products, the link will be down in the description below, so you guys can click that, see the current price, and see other people's reviews. I'll see you guys in the next video. It'll probably be the review of this after a week or so. I don't know, but I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.